Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video I thought I would share with you some great exercises for the tummy and also the abs, for the belly if you like. So first of all, let's just place our hand onto our tummy and just very gently breathe in for 3 and hold that engagement. You also want to make sure that you've got a nice straight back, so you're not too hunched over, and your shoulders are nice and relaxed. So let's just start with just a little bit of warm up with the legs. So you could hold on to your arm of your chair or even onto your knees here, and just gently lift up, alternating the leg whilst holding the core in. And we just do 8 on each side. And you should feel a very light contraction on the core. So lifting up and just gently placing the leg down, making sure that your shoulders are relaxed here. And now let's just do 2 more on each side. And we're finished there. So now I'm going to place my hand onto my shoulders, and this is our first of 3 exercises. We're going to come forward, lift up our knee and place our elbow as far as we can to the knee, and then alternate on the other side. Let's do this 8 times on each side. So placing hand on shoulders, coming down. 1, 2, remembering to hold that core in. 4, and our last 2, 1 and 2. And just give your body a little shake if you like, shake it out. So now we're going to take our hand almost in a fist, and we're going to twist to the side, come back, twist to the other side. And again, let's hold the core in, make sure it's nice and engaged, and let's do 8 on each side. So fingers as a twist, or you could hold your hands into prayer position and twist, whatever's easiest for you. So coming along, 1, 2, 3, making sure your back's nice and straight. 5, 7, and 1 more on each side. And give it another little shake. So now we're going to lift our arms up on our third exercise. Lift our foot up as straight as we can, keeping the knees nice and soft. And again, let's do this on 8 times on each leg. Again, back nice and straight, core engaged, arms up and come along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost there, and 8, and come down. So let's do those set of exercises again. Let's do them 3 times round to really strengthen this core and belly here. So again, placing our hands onto our shoulders, going down to our knees. 2, and we'll do this 8 times again. 3, remembering to stand back up, sit up straight again as you come back up. 6, and the last one, 8. Holding our hands into a fist and twisting gently. Again, just readjust yourself if you need to. Feet firmly onto the ground. That's a 1 twist. And just go as far as you can. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one, 8. Again, little shake out, arms up, soft knees, lifting up with the legs, alternating. 1, we're back into our up position. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and come down. So now let's finish off with our last set of 3. So again, placing our hands onto our shoulders, reset ourselves, core nice and engaged, twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one last time. And give it a little wiggle and shake out. Hands as a fist, gently twist for another 8 on each side. 2, and you can move your head to the side as well, just nice and gently. Remembering to hold that engaged core. 6, a few more to go. And last 1. And then shake it out, and then our last exercise, lifting our arms up, soft knees, legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8, and breathe it out. And then just shake your body along, give it a little wiggle, get everything nice and loose. So there we have it, our 3 great exercises for the belly and also the abs. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing for more content and a thumbs up, and I will post another video if you'd like to join me there, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.